Okay, today's knife is a let's see if I can get this to focus. Rite Edge Congress. It's a 4-blade model. There we go. It's got a nice badge in the handle. Simulated pearl handles. Yeah, it's a budget knife. Actually, I got it at the truck stop. It has 4 blades on it. A Congress knife comes with, this is a standard 4-bladed Congress. They make 2-bladed models also. We have 2 sheepfoot blades. That one looks like it's a main blade. We have a secondary one. That is a type of a worn cut blade and a coping blade. Frequently this design is used for whittling. You know, it also has a sway back. Pretty cool. So, all very budget price too.